Document. The charger's plugged in, the surge pressure's on, there's no light. And I noticed this before I disassembled the battery, because I figured, well, I'm going to disassemble the battery because I work on electronics also. My background, I have 2 other bachelor's science degrees. The battery itself, I figured, well, if I have to get a new battery, then might as well disassemble this one to verify the battery management system and anything on the battery itself, which isn't related to the charger, the charging process, is okay. Well, the batteries all tested good. They weren't even off balance. The tolerances for in between each cell to trigger the pack to be bad wasn't an issue. Never locked. These batteries can lock, and you have to reset them. It's a little more, they have a PIC microcontroller. It's a little more complicated. You can read online. But anyways, the battery was already not discharged enough and was working in the Dyson that I purchased. So I wanted to charge it more because I could see testing the battery that it was losing charge and didn't come with a charger. So I ordered the charger. Well, I'm like, just in case the battery's issue, it's not charging, I assumed at first the about 26 volts, and I'll show you that here with the multimeter, that this actually was not a big deal. Like the charger was good, so I wanted to have a resistive load, and then also test on the board. So you can see, this is what I first saw, 25.7 volts, and that's right there, that's about right. 26 volts is okay. The thing is, inside, I didn't realize when I first emailed the seller that the inside also supposed to have a 16 volt charge, but this one doesn't. So this must be why the charger's bad. This has like a 7 volt. Yeah, it's a little tricky. See, I gotta hold that carefully. Do that chopstick style. But you can see I can change the polarity, it's DC, but it's showing 7.4. Tricky. There we go. So that's why the charger is not working. So the charger is the issue. That should be 16 volts. So you can see 7.4 volts. So I was like, man, I gotta hurry up. I got 30 days to return this, and today's day 30. So, yeah, the charger was in fact bad. It's not the battery, and kind of a bummer. I disassembled all this, but I think I can pop it all back together because it's basically just slid off. I had to do a little more aggressive on the bottom. But, yeah, so the battery is good. I thought it was good, tested good, and you can see here if you're sure either. Oh, I've got the polarity probably wrong. Yeah, I got the polarity wrong. So you can see it's a little low, but the battery's almost, if I had a 26 volt charger, you could charge it up. That's 26. But yeah, that center 16 volts not there. So yeah, that's the issue. So it is a charger. Thanks. Be safe, stay healthy, and until next time. I guess I'll just put this up as a YouTube video.